I'm Pat McKay, co-founder and CEO of Rolling Equity Leasing. And before we get into anything else, a huge part of our trucking industry is built on people who've served. Veterans who've come home, built businesses, hired teams, and keep our freight moving. We see that every day. So this program is about honoring and supporting that service and commitment.
Hi, I'm Tattum, co-founder and COO for REL. And for the second year, we're launching our Military Appreciation Truck Lease giveaway. It's one fleet owner, one lease truck, one full year. Lease, insurance, and scheduled maintenance covered. If you're a veteran-owned business or you employ veterans and you're running FedEx linehaul, you're eligible. Last year's winners, Tyler and Paige Wise from Black Trident Trucking, seeing what that truck meant to their new business brought immediate satisfaction. So we're doing it again.
We work with veterans every single day. We know their discipline, we know their leadership, we know their sacrifices. We also know how hard it can be to grow a fleet. One truck can sometimes make a year, one truck can sometimes make a business, and we want to be part of that.
Applying is simple. Go to teamrel.com and register. If you're selected as a semifinalist, we'll ask you to put a short video together to tell your story. An independent military organization will choose the winner, and you'll join us on stage at the Linehaul Summit in May 2026.
If you're a veteran-owned business or you employ veteran hiring practices, we hope you apply. You've earned the opportunity.
And if you know someone that is eligible and think a great candidate, send them a link, give them a nudge. We want everyone to have the opportunity to be awarded this great special lease.
And from all of us at Rolling Equity Leasing, thank you for your service to our country, and thank you for what you're building.